Sompa 93.1 FM no ewo Kumase Sanso and Ablu Matter for of Matter for Tiefa Sunyane Sompa 98.9 and Increza and a block where Matter for you so Efa Sompa 90.7 and some who do ya air bonnet dos in the bedi motin timino and a senior Wapoya Domwa a 30th February that brother dear Nimono and just so about some Persia so about by election a coso and so MPP de Wajama one no what then some do dona and atuja na and I'm about to win some so amaye radio me they can't pay Timon so a tres and near maybe a coso wabra MPP for a day one more any engine one was seen na atre a man saying and then would when it tremo a war a class media group mamophobia kwakotake womo amache se one more dream one who at the Kodianti asa amamodia we say no etimi ekọ so ye ne panyi pa ya ono ho no ebebo enkobo ne ya hwese de ensemesi eka yewra ekufu dampale IGP eno no so eka cho made hye nyina ase mo man ho do enjare ye na etimi aboa ye de nti ena panyi ede ensem we say etudwa na otumfo se to ababia onyam kese ne tin finhia aduonu enum obetina dwasui ene e woguso aya wo hye ho fa na dwumadie bi akoso ewo eye asante mantama no mo ani nyina no eye soma feku ahodo nhia mudie ye bebo awram ne de emu nsem nyina no aba bedan wo ebusia ensempi kan we say ho ena ene anopa emosofo ohine re mame ekua yeboa esiama bronya brewetia matrasia medema no begu ho asaudi amamo wadaroma ya na wadom ye ewo social media handles ne so Facebook no eye Sompa TV Ghana ana Sompa 93.1 YouTube TikTok Twitter Instagram and a link in social media handles entire no eye Sompa TV ana se Sompa FM www.sompaonline.com so abusia ubetimi for online no so no watie no asakoken kan sem ni nyina e de officer bedema ya chechire de akogwo de ane so obekọ no akwa akosane mu akenkan bie yenjibrani adaje na ensem no ni miebie mu nyina no yentimi emfa enai mu I was here, yes, not say at the free MPP. Amanyoko ni mu, and ya would want it tremo, and what a just so about 1 person, so penny, nay, what tremo at the Amanyoko no. You are lawyer, Quabra Watson, what in some do not to just say or crop or ya do more brother, and ya about to by election, ya equaso, I just so no. One shana one to a boom and famano. Now, and near maybe what was say a coswa, a dika, as I was saying, say, Edia Samuel. Num na ne techama santa no sechere na wa kire se yewura aduo me ya watimi ababedi adwaso se ma hyebedwene di ama eye MPP amanyoko ne di mo adwoso abato mpesua so mfie bi atwamo no wo ye ne ema bi ase wo hu se MPP amanyoko ne mpo no aye bibi e de ama ne pen na wo kire se ne amoho di ahodo bi e na wo da na di e de akire MPP amanyoko na wono de osise ne nyina no enya ade a etweye na wo se wanya bibi ama wase a enke nyai ensa amo ne kro no fi se pipi amanyoko no aboye radio me ewa akwanua se nyina so a wadansem we se nyina di ewo oman hene ya waduboache enim wabra enuada your mind the morning whatna say ewo Sompa morning show so a ye wurayi ekansem dodo na edita achire
ya peni kenye se mbona ka ye no se bi buru wo mu a wo mu be pribi mia mi ofa ba ko wo mu nanka ye ka wo mu bo MPP titi akwantempo no a anka ye de ne ka ho emei anka mi be ka betene na ase anka ibia mi so ka mi kopi futu bi ne akwantere na ja akora ko no so de kakra wo de aka ho amame said ye mi ro se je ye no a nei mi no na ebo ntoa ba ko se no wo ho no ye ni bi da se ju so MPP ni bi a watena ko no so pen na ne bra so ye no manfo so ye no obe ti etua e wo party no so e bi si da first time we be see ni na me de ja abrante abofra ntiechire na me hwe ne nhia de wo se je na no ne yekokwa aso bi ni du ho no akro wa tutu no ntoma na no kwasi ada awo no na agi microphone no wo yi media kire e campaign sem ne me kasa abakosem a wo ka kire me du kro wo so aboponi we di obi ne beji party no e bi si ho polidi o manfo no asosie me se enioma mi wura no kire me enya bo mpanifo bi obi di wo mu a wo mu ji party this is what we do no di kyerɛ me ɛnya abo ono nso so na bra you nso odi me betu no a foreign minister no na no yes I was soon be I do baby so tell say Joseph for say why you be me nso ye fa you will do me so then buy you will do me so buy Joseph for ya nya na bro enfie du me yes nyina ye nim Asante region ha seat bi ho we ni din kura na wako mi na etso say 12 good years we ni ye wutiri mu po bi e wutiri bi ahwe be enfie du me no die na ya say di bebre no asom omanfo nti ye ha bi akora kwadwo ho me mi wurade onya ne baby kro John Punche kuma first time we ni review me be pre we nya ante ni hu wanko kontonkre oni ye we bonto aye dwuma kopim say the second time o ba ya when free party ni nti ye wo say je free party ni na ye wura Dr. John Punche kuma free party ni ma e de ne sesaye e ne di nko bi akene ka me bonto ko aka we company for akomo ebo me chiri dom no e ba ne say ne de ono no say onti asenti okokontokre Asante
Ebusia nipa yeti denken ewralo ya kwabna boate wono na ejremo ewo MPP amanyoko ni demo akọ okona no ba election yakopon ya adom adabrada eba so ne ho na ewo abato ne ho ensem na no na wode wonde kyeremo ewo yewura adiomi ne campaign team ni mu a wonom so ekeka ensem bi kyerɛ sɛ eniema enhyada enkoye ne nyina da ene sɛ wonom anya no huhu entiye bi sɛ MPP amanyoko no eye edom kyerɛ so sɛ wɔn bɛhwɛ no mafa bambo adwumakuofo bi na afa vigilante group fo ikrampo mema ketera wanya ye metri esisi ye metri so yi bi no ma ba behunahuna ye radiomi wɔnom a wɔkɔ akɔto aba ede ama no no na eno akikura no so bo ye toso mienu no ene sɛ wate sɛ MPP fo eye kululu bi sɛ wanhwɛ ye krombetun dum kane ano rough problem sɛ bibia ye basa ne omanya kwan aye de wɔnom ɛbɛyɛ yenkɔ wabra wɔnom friends entwefo hyiamu na eye ekoi wonom eda wonom semadi ede akyerɛ yɛn
anopa yi nyina yɛhyiamu aha sɛ yɛde nsɛm bi ɛbɛtu dwa ɛde amamo nneɛma bɔne a Ashanti Regional Chairman MPP Regional Chairman wontumi ɛne MPP for ɛne abɛnum mpanimfoɔ aba eduso a ɔmo yɛ ɛwɔ eduso mensimu na eduso abatoɔ mensimu asili nneɛma no bi wɔ hɔ a yɛpɛ sɛ yɛde tum anim ɛma mo nso muhu nneɛma a MPP for ɛyɛ ɛpɛ sɛ ɔmo de bɛwia aba a ɛyɛ ɛda ɛbenada ɛwɔ yɛ nim 30th of this month yɛba bɛto no ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo de bɛwia mu na nneɛma bɔne a ɔmo ahyehyɛ a ɔmo aplane a ɔmo de ba no ebi ne nea edidi so yi yɛdi kan MPP for chairman wontumi ɛne abɛnho mpanimfoɔ ayɛ ɔmo adwene sɛ ballot boxes no ɔmo de bi firi nkan aba ɛne ballot papers ɔmo hyɛ baabi a ɔmo tintim na ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo adwene sɛ ɔmo de bɛba polling stations no na yɛdeɛ no a nipa no ato no kamakama no ɔmo abɛpagya afiri hɔ na ɔmo de ɔmo deɛ no asi hɔ deɛ to so mmienu yɛnya ne nteɛ sɛ chairman wontumi ɔno ankasa ne MPP for akɔyɛ meeting aka sɛ ɔmo wɔ adwene bi sɛ electoral commission for no ɔmo bɛtua bribe ɛde ama ɔmo na abato yɛ a yɛbɛtu electoral commission for no de ɔmo adwene ama ɔmo sɛ de bɛyɛ ɔmo bɛwie mu ama MPP ɔmo candidate no nanso yɛdeɛ yɛwɔ gyidie kɛseɛ ɛwɔ electoral commission no sɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ ɔmo adwuma pɛpɛɛpɛ ɔmo de mo kredie ɛbɛyɛ adwuma ama pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛ aba ama deɛ ɔbɛwie ne by elections no wɔwie ne fɛnkyɛn a bɔne bia nsi ɛwɔ ediso constituency
ebusia nipa yɛte ne keyera Isaac Boafo wono na wɔyɛ campaign coordinator edema yɛra kwabro wusu aduomi adwoso abato mpɛsia so kɔgyina hɔ kɔntekro ɛwɔ abato a ɛbɛkɔ so no ho na ɛno akyi wɔnom ɛsa dansɛm we sɛ di ɛdeka ho
MPP for any chairman wontumi a committee asese sɛ ɛda brada na yɛto aba no yɛto wie na sɛ ba bɛkan aba no a ɔmo bɛdundum light ɛwɔ baabia sɛ de bɛyɛ esum bɛba na ɔmo nya kwan ɔmo ne ma bɔne a wɔahyɛ no ɔmo nya kwan di aviam ɛwɔ saa brɛ no ɛso yɛtɔ so nsia chairman wontumi ɛne MPP for akɔhu metro man for a Ashanti region amu nyina no makasa se brother na ye beto abalon ko omumya na omumidi nsomone ewo ajuso ase de be ya ombenya kwan awia abenum nanso medical ka ye ogidie kese ewo yewura IDP mu se brother no obema ne mnante no aye adwuma sonko se de be ya sade no ombesi anokwa
Elsia, Yevra Quabra Ediome, the campaign coordinator, your Isaac Boafo, and your core equity no. Yebo Remo Ewa and Senfo from Money, a core class media group, Yachas a class TV and a class FM Shemubie. Now, Ababeto just said one I attack be free ni pebi what's now. If you did the tough for motorbikes, so and I want them the petrol bomb on near watch a say, one make sure go one watch a say, Bubu, and I want what the Kodia Potentia, as Uncle for Bonnie. For we say no, one Timbedi and Yambra Samsa, Abna Yadom, a general manager at the Class TV and the Class FM what the Enchemu, and they said the same Esikoye, Efasa, or Yene we say hono at the man central for say.
This morning on my way to work, I got a call from our administrator saying we've been attacked during the night. So when I got here, I was told that the overnight security personnel say they were here when they saw some men on motorbikes. They came, stopped right behind the wall that is directly opposite our reception area. And then all of a sudden they started throwing stones towards the reception area. Our reception doors are all glassed. So as they threw the stones, the glass just shattered. Then they started hurling petrol bombs, what they believe to be petrol bombs inside. It caught fire, but because our reception area doesn't have anything that is inflammable or that would have gotten worse, the fire just went off within some few minutes. This morning, the administrator, of course, went to lodge a complaint. The police came, they did the investigation. So at the moment, the police CID department is handling the matter. We are yet to.
Ebusia Naturesa, Mame Abena Yadom, general manager at the Class TV, Class FM, and now watch it and Semo say, I approach if Wabem, ya one a year Shimo, a Hunipa Cropotia, Obedi Sanyam Bransamna, and Ran Baby Safatano, what's me at the Awintano. Yeah, boy, Ramo, I want some for Fromono. Na ye war a fear ye about what I say ye do my gun and name. Na a penny for who do ya or can be a woman or about to mono. One ma shall see at the Futuan Sempa at the more my gun this year. Sabaya, Cruye or door and ne on my who doma pano. Ye bet me a man of Rayamo. Near who about to always say a coming kebi and a year quack yard and yan tokwasem and ya basa yes a casaka anyway ye SMBN. Na and no more and Inspector General of Police. Yera Dr. George Akufu Dampare. Ono so ade afuto bi ade amagana fo nyina sa adwobrel. Yema ya adwemu nyini. Yenya odoma pa yema nkabo mu emra ya setene mu. Na yanwune ye nuanom ho ne tituru ene se ye mo man ho do no etimi awura ya na etimi aboa ama afi we se abato no ewie ewo asomdwe mu na ye wie so agana ma ba bia yete no yama ye ne aka efisa asomdwe ho no eya na ede yenko yera IGP nsem no yentie bimra.
It used to be the fact that we normally start thinking of election security in the election year, and we saw that has become a handicap and creating problems that are avoidable. So we decided that going forward, election will be seen as a process. And the next one will start where the last one ended, and making sure that election security is mainstream into normal security operations. And this led us to the establishment of Police Election Security Directorate. We've been in existence for the past 3 years, almost 3 years. The directorate has become like a police station. It is open 24 hours. It used to be the fact that we normally start thinking of election security in the election year, and we saw that has become a handicap and creating problems that are avoidable. So we decided that going forward, election will be seen as a process, and the next one will start where the last one ended, and making sure that election security is mainstream into normal security operations. And this led us to the establishment of Police Election Security Directorate. We lived in existence for the past 3 years, almost 3 years. The directorate has become like a police station, which is open 24 hours. It used to be the fact that we normally start thinking of election security in the election year, and we saw that that has become a handicap and creating problems that are avoidable. So we decided that going forward, election will be seen as a process, and the next one will start where the last one ended, and making sure that election security is mainstream into normal security operations. And this led us to the establishment of Police Election.
Ebusiero IGP Dr. Georgia Kufu Dampare any attending Canada and some was saying our done the Wabra Trade Union Congress. One Eshia na about to more sundue, a quiet before so and Sabeka ewa fimu dieno na wo dijumason and in Casachurch media fahu and Namsunteno, Yera Ekufu Dampare Ecopiasia wa dance some way di at the etre na yeba santimantema senum asantimero 247 to abebionyam kese wa tekra recruit and brawe woman so Wabetsina Abenua Swimfinsha Poly Adionum nie na Silver Jubilee ya or celebrating no and wako here Jumedia ya Equasono a dosu wom papa na Sansa Fadia a ya what the choba ya puntu juma ya watching Ediama Asante Mai, they are watching Ediama Ghana Mai, they are watching Ediama Yasemena da, Wardana di at the Atre Amansai. Na Emuju Media no ebi and they say Enra da and na a son fekwa who do a year 1 month no one equabo dumpim ewa mention fimo na fedodo nyamesumo fekuo empenyin for ebi free Anglican ebi free Roman Catholic ebi free Methodist and afe SCNA one mo ekeka ho nyina no ekowura mu wo na eye enigisem enam so emanana no ahemfo so e de one mo nyam ekota adwumadie no echi nananom ebo amane e de nsem dodo na etudwa ewo dwumadie na se.
Yeah, as we've observed for the past years, it's been a leadership of inspiration, development. It's brought all of us as Antaman and the entire nation together. The sense of leadership has brought peace to Ghana and also to other tribes, and as we've all observed. So it is an inspiration to all of us as pastors and leaders that when getting this such opportunity, we should also work hard to bring peace and development to our people. Thank you.
My thoughts are that he has done very well. He has been forthright. He has begun some major projects. He hasn't finished yet, but at least there's something to show that he has been a good leader. We are grateful.
It's super excellent. It's super excellent. Since his stewardship way back 1999 up to today, he has been exceptional. Very humble, with good judgment, and also on the funny side, a good sense of humor. He's been a very great chief, a very great king, and we are all grateful to be his servants.
Ebusia nananom ede asofo mpanyimfo ekunini ya wonom ekọ dwumedie na sibie no wonum nsem ena yetie ye no afa no obeka ye ho awadaro mahasenom eye Sompa television so Sompa 93.1 FM Sompa 98.9 FM ena Sompa 90.7 FM ye nyina da yaka bomo ena anopa no siabrem kase no ye de esomo ye kwaye nim ewo ensem foforo mu a na afo ano South West Mese no assembly no etrese enipa bi ewo empotem ho a wonoma ye adwumaso de aboa aban ewo impontudwumenti no wode abasobode chenchenche ene de ama wonoma wo trese wei enye enkayedum enfama wonom na enye adesua de enso enfama afoforo se beya won so betu anamo de asisa mpanyimfo we se de mu na ebi ene wonmonyafo Joseph Frimpong Bonsu ya wono wo trese aban krachi panyi ya wotua wonom ena wo trese ono ankasa ne nana doctor Ajima Bedudia afi eye wahene ya wono so kunsu ya nana no matankonwa bedwa so nana Ajima Bedua no wakai no se ne modern mo ene dwumedie no enema ekoso de ma aban no ne mu afem afi eye de wo gyina mu apre eye MPP adwa no ewa hafo no southwest eye abato mpesua so ono so ya de a wono so wabɔ na baso akai no ene mpanyimfo ahodo bi a wonom so efri apomuden adwumakuo no mo so akono wakyerɛ sɛ wonom ayɛ adwumaso de aboa wodwumedie na se no ɔhene yire mesiesie do Agyemedua okopie ase wadansam dodo na di de kyerɛ yenko enkotie bi mra
that's why the one who becomes and your bar and I will choose for a family man. Oh, and I will choose for the thing or more to say always start for no say no what only assembly and I ending it out. Now all fun be at the ade a wo afọ na ne wo akika to nti anti asebi ayedima enti afipia all the BBC woman is the toilet public one and na abai be asabe ne betini ene mo asabe ma fo so the money poma na owo wa kwantu ko ene kasache instead
Ebusia ohini mesiesie du nana Ajima Bedudia ena ono akasa ne ho kene ho dwedwedie na se a woto nenum to de kyerɛ ye no ne de echi MPP de wo gyem ene akwakopretu misem rahye bedwa madwa no wokwa akotena so monyafo Elvis Osemensa dapa wono so abasobode ne bi ekode ma no wogina so ekasaye
say that everybody I am a so when I want to be now challenge now Canada as it is said, we saw one hill, and now when the ideas left up at outside the camera. And she, because study, so what the ones I say, I always say, there are one individual differences there, not even and some people like that. We are the size of it, the length. Or maybe say, you can't get the machine swap, whether we balance or whatever. Once a beer would say different or the same. And you will say, I don't want to hear one. Now, we are waiting at the I rather don't know what you are doing there. It can say, you also get high up for. And to do it there, almost a community. What you have said, almost. No, we are going to have assembly. Assembly, I don't say, like what you need, it's impossible. As I said, and near man that was and there's a high one in that here. And so the good loss. And she said, we should say, yeah, now may entity a pass of Koso, Nadia. But a mediation, it's about an ambition, or my time. Now, what a
Ebusian Monya for Prince and your call echo tie no, yes, sorry, a just so your faster Emma miso free drink and 5G misa. One more and a soy yasine boy ya baba ede echa eye anopano se kasie. Na eya no dear yan kasie nu aba ho do ye wo mem ha se no no ene ye chinchi mu so kama ye fa bibia so munte no we eye natural free juice. Aya no anya bi na enema koye dia mo dwabo dwumedi ase bia no wo hia bi e wo ho na ya memendei eyi yodo da na ekoso ebi wade ebi to party ahodo ni nyina wo hia miso free drink ene 5G meza no eya na enya bi de egu ye fridge mu amoto nso no munya bi na entimi mu amo ne bo na efo na wo ton so a wonya sika e de hwe wo ne wo ho ene wabusua 5G meza no so e wa adwama so wonu mo to ntimi ni dia eya no wanya bi fi se gorana no yesum de egu meboa e mo no mote jensen ene great thing ye wo mi no eya wode chapo ena eno so e de emma afe yankase grapes any grapefruit no so boa emma honam na ni krampo da ho so no ko ewusia mo ani enchiremu e wo 21st clinic manager dan enche ubenya be careful kunji enterprise enso e wo nuom hotel hwe ni mo ho abrosa ne hwe ni mo no nsa beka bi na me ankasa me doctor Silas wone ne dom no bra ba bia wo bia me wachen wo mo de van ne nam eno nti wo dia ne so obefre wonom na wabre wo be 0246 270 221 0246 270 221 0246 270 221 ewusia ye na ye nua be ma coffee parliament ase wase demo ewo agona bobi koma sanso na wase wa dance do na friend foreign news wase ma ya che ye jo sumi nua be ma obo wase coffee bo che wase Ghana for apa NDC ene ye JDM dada ansakra na abato be se no eba beba so na era kwablambo wapia wode ne nchia de ma no MD State Housing Company Limited ye nua ye da abusia wa woji brani adaje no maye na wase ye rasante ye bo Benedict eyesemu for penye ni screw ye was Sompa 93.2 kumase kase dem Sompa 98.9 sunyane kase dem akwenya kwa bro no mo chia minimo ene dom ne nyina ye dam wase musomo ede maye wo ho sa so na pam dada papa toast thematic na champion ne brother flip mu nyina so ewo eye nkranza Sompa 90.7 wonom so ada Roma omoto ede fa ho emaye ma PK ene chinchin fidie ne from edema me ba Kelvin ni azuka hweye etwa ye fa social media handles ne so ena ekobeje sesempre bema wono so hwe ya Sompa television no wutimi hwe ya wutie ensem ne bi nso ewo ho medid wo hene ire ma me ekua yeboa esiama bronya betimi aframa brewati ameje so ye sorry de ene mo ho akanyina yiyo mu no ye ma mo yakọ wa de nso no ye ma wutiri nkwa wa wanya afe aka wo fie ho no so no nyamepa ena yes ready ama wo no ti no Mame Ivy Dako Mame Ivy Dako wo Accra ene eye wa woda happy birthday to ya de enchin yo brade nyankopon de da Sompa TV so de won fe penny systematic price wo eye Sompa 90.7 kranza ena wato de abraye systematic yensa ka why mame nyame hwa omo kwatenti ahoden ene apomode wo systematic so do papa ye nyame pa ena wo srede am wasetrem yedie enye wo chefa happy birthday to you sister Ivy ebusia ya sorry adwaso na ya memenda Ghana fapim dwumedie no na ya oboama Libya boga wode toaso ede amamo
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu